Ugh, where did I even put my... Ugh, this place is a disaster zone. I can't focus in this mess. There is so much to clean, but where do I even start? Good afternoon, Agent J. It appears as if your living quarters have been sabotaged. Oh, it's you again. No, this isn't by design, more like by disaster. And I don't remember signing up for surprise visits from the Miaverse. Did you call me Agent J? I'm recruiting you into the Spruce Force. It's time to tackle that chaos with precision and spruce everything up with a little bit of flair. High stakes cleaning ops, huh? I must be hallucinating from the dust I've inhaled. Or maybe it's that mystery aroma from under the couch. You know, you're right. I am already friends with a sentient robot and have thousands of home viewers, so I guess this isn't that bizarre. What's next, Miaverse me? Agent J, please exercise discretion. Within the Force, I am Agent M. Okay? Agent M. In this adulting mission, we'll navigate the treacherous terrain of daily household living. Our objective: transform chaos into order, enhancing not only our space, but our mental well-being. Well, if the Spruce Force can tackle my home disasters, I'm in. I see our environment today presents quite the challenge. It's a perfect opportunity to explore the fundamental principles of the Spruce Force. Cleaning on a regular basis can keep your home base from becoming compromised. I know I need to clean, but just looking at this mess is stressing me out. And that reaction, Agent J, is exactly where our mission begins. A cluttered space isn't just a physical obstacle, it's a mental one. It sends signals of distress that we can't ignore. Observe this territory, agents. Note anything that jumps out at you. Our environments are constantly sending us signals. A desk buried under paperwork chaos. A kitchen besieged by a dish pileup, or a bedroom quietly succumbing to grime. These are not just untidy spaces, they're visually and mentally overwhelming. Each cluttered area competes for your attention, making it harder to focus, increasing stress, and diminishing your overall sense of peace. The stress signals. Check. I am seeing a lot more SOS than I realized. Time for a little field work, agents. Pause our communication and take a moment to survey your own surroundings. How do they make you feel? Centered and prepared? Or overwhelmed and scattered? Jot down your thoughts or make a mental note. Centered or scattered? Definitely more on the scattered side right now. Exactly, Agent J. Your emotional response to your environment is a powerful indicator. It signals when it's time to spring into action. Having recognized the signals of distress in our environment, our next step is to strategize our response. A well-planned cleaning regimen is your blueprint to victory over chaos. Yeah, sometimes it's like, where do I even begin? The mess just feels like it's everywhere. Exactly. The key is strategy. First, we need to survey the battlefield. Break down the mess into smaller, manageable zones. Okay, so how do we start drafting this plan? Begin by defining your mission objectives. You can consider tackling the area that impacts you the most. For example, if a decluttered desk represents a clear mind ready for productivity, let that be your goal. Or if a sparkling kitchen means a space where family can gather joyfully, aim for that. The results of this tactic can significantly boost your morale and motivate you to continue. It's about securing quick wins for lasting motivation and to make the operation feel less like Mission Impossible. Next, try a timer. Even just 15 minutes of focused effort can make a noticeable difference in the chaos. It's a tactic we use in the Miaverse to maintain focus without feeling overwhelmed. And always remember our motto: progress, not perfection. Our goal isn't to achieve a spotless space in one day, but to make consistent, incremental progress. What if I get stuck, though? If you find yourself overwhelmed, take a step back, reassess your strategy, and maybe switch to a different zone or take a short break. Sometimes a change of scenery is all it takes to reignite your motivation. Survey, start small, quick wins, time it, and progress over perfection. I can manage that. It's about transforming this overwhelm into action. Now, think of a space in your home that needs attention. Visualize applying these techniques. How would you start? And what tools and strategies would you use? What is your goal for the space? Pause and sketch a quick plan. Remember, a clean space is more than just visually pleasing. It's about creating an environment where you can feel relaxed, focused, and at peace. Each step we take is a victory, not just in cleaning, but in building a lifestyle that supports our well-being and goals. Agents, your mission now involves reconnaissance and strategy. Oh, can we just jump right into it? All right, I'll slow down and think before acting. There are 3 main types of household tasks. Daily cleaning, which are tasks that keep your living space tidy, functional, and sanitary on a regular basis. Deep cleaning, which is a more thorough scrubbing, often less frequent but still essential. And decluttering, which includes daily picking up and straightening of items that have infiltrated your living space. Let's assess Agent J's home base. First, the desk area is overwhelmed by some kind of paper explosion. Next, the aftermath of last night's Taco Tuesday has left the kitchen in desperate need. And finally, the bedroom is harboring dust from missions past. So, what do you think, agents? Can you identify the course of action for each part of Agent J's home base? Brainstorm a mission plan in your notes. So, what do you think, Agent J? For the desk, it's a decluttering mission. Sort the papers, keep what's needed, and remove the rest. Now I can breathe and think more clearly. Excellent strategy. A place for everything and everything in its place. Organizing reduces clutter and restores order. Now, what about the kitchen? That's a daily cleaning operation. Clear the counters, wash the dishes, take out the trash, and sweep the floors. Doing small tasks like this each day means less buildup, including feeling less overwhelmed. Spot on. Consistent daily attention prevents kitchen chaos from escalating. And the bedroom situation? Now's the time for it to undergo its deep cleaning transformation. Strip the bed, launder the linens, flip the mattress, and vacuum under the bed. A spotless, fresh space can really recharge your sense of well-being and tranquility. By successfully identifying the specific needs of each scenario, you have taken a crucial step toward establishing your adulting home base. The right action, be it decluttering, daily cleaning, or deep cleaning, plays a pivotal role in our physical and mental well-being. Agents, as we conclude today's mission, remember the strides we've made. From identifying the types of cleaning and organizing tasks to strategizing our approach without feeling overwhelmed, each step has brought us closer to operating from a home base that not only looks good, but feels good. It's been quite the journey. I'm seeing my space and my ability to improve it in a whole new light. And I have a feeling that this isn't going to be the last I see of you. Stay tuned. Until we team up for another mission, agents, catch you in our next adulting adventure. Wait, so hold on. Agent M? Does that mean... My first name is Miaverse. Oh, wow. So, does everyone? Everyone, yeah. Wow. Neat. Hey, hey.